In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to make the clear soup for their reward for their sweet quest in Crimson Desert. So now when you're in this area right here, you should be able to view this specific table right here. So this specific table will have this recipe here for your clear soup, so make sure to actually take it. And I've read that a lot of people have some type of uh, some type of bug, I guess, that they're not able to either pick it up or read it here. So if you have that same bug, just restart the game and try once again. That I've seen that work for a lot. So you need to examine it here as I did, as you can see, by clicking on the L1 button because I'm on PlayStation, and then you will be able to learn the recipe. Now what you need to do is to take all of this stuff right here because you will, oh, okay, I don't know why he did that, but we need all of this stuff right here. So I'm just gonna take this. I'm gonna take this one as well, I believe, and this right here. So now when you have it, just go to the this right here, bonfire, and click and hold on the square. You will now be able to start cooking, and then I'm just going to see if I can find the clear soup here somewhere. Let's see if I scroll down. Oh, actually, sorry, I had to click on the R2 button to switch the category here. So here is the clear soup here. Click on the clear soup and click on make. I believe we have to make 2 for this quest here, so click on confirm. And then he will start cooking it here, as you can see. And basically that is exactly how to make clear soup for their reward for their sweet guide in Crimson Desert.